Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm gonna discuss about TCPC stocks, so Blackrock, TGF, TGP Capital Corp. The profile is TCPC. The profile is TCPC. Wait, I don't know why the AI doesn't work. Yeah, it's the AI. Yes, it's a business development company that focuses on investing in the middle market company through direct lending and other investment strategies. Okay. This is TCPC. Okay, now the dividend history of TCPC. Okay, we're gonna check TCPC. The graph, the price. Wait, the price history. If you see the maximum, wait. Yeah, like this. The history of the price of the stock. Okay, TCPC. Sorry, no, this one TCPC. Better in here in this side. TCPC in 2025, it has already paid twice, okay, the dividends. So 0.58, okay, in here. 24, 23, yes. 22, yes. 21, yes. 2020, yes. And still loading for more. I think the stock routinely pays dividend, I think. It always pays dividend. Okay, we move to the its financial statement. The equity to 700 million dollar, 750, 785, and 781 million dollar now. The debt is about $1 billion, 1.1 billion. The DER there, 143%, and the cash that it holds is about $99 million. The outstanding shares is about 85 million shares. Okay. The price, sorry, the book value is about 9.14 US dollar, and the price is now 783. 783 in the price. The PBB is 0.86. Net income 12 million, 2022 million, 5 million, and now $20 million. And the ROE about 2.868. EPS is about 0.24 this quarter. Last year is 1.06. Okay. In the fourth quarter is 0.7 in 2024 and now 2025. If you multiply it 4 until December, I think the EPS will be 0.96. The dividends $1.22. The yield is about 8. The DPR like this 1.69. 16% the yield, insane. And the DPR 252%. And then the here 1.46, 14% dividend yield, and DPR is quite very high. And this year probably it has already paid 0.58 now. So I think the next dividend will be about until December. The total will be 1.16. I think 1.16, right? Yes. So the yield will be 14%. The total, I think, for 16. Wait. How about? So it has already paid dividends since 2015. If you can see it from here, 2015. Oh, still loading. There's still more data here. Okay. Yeah, I think it's very routine. The payment is very routine. Every almost 4 times a years, I think. Yes, 4 times a years. So the total dividend this year will be, I think, 1.16. So the yield is about 14%. Insane, 14%, almost 15%. So the fair price for this stock is you multiply the dividend, you multiply it to 10 and 20, and you get 11 until you multiply 20, it's $22. Yeah, that's it. Got it. So I think when the actual price right now is 7.83, is bargain. It's very cheap right now, and it's very wonderful price. It's in a wonderful price. Okay, guys, so this for TCPC stock, and see you again on the next video.